Hello everybody, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Century Turn VTC. This VTL is CNC controlled with a Fanuc 18IT series. It has a 54-inch chuck, 12-station turret with plenty of tooling. For full specifications, I will list it in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you have it, the Century Turn VTC. For further questions, call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.